Chameleons have several distinguishing features that help identify them. 1. Unique body shape. Chameleons have a distinct body shape characterized by a long, slender body and a prehensile tail. Their body shape allows them to move easily through trees and branches. 2. Turret-like eyes. One of the most iconic features of chameleons is their independently rotating eyes. Each eye can move and focus on different directions simultaneously, providing them with excellent 360-degree vision. 3. Color-changing abilities. Chameleons are famous for their ability to change color. They have specialized cells called chromatophores in their skin that contain pigments. By expanding or contracting these cells, chameleons can alter their coloration for communication, camouflage, or temperature regulation. 4. Projectile tongue. Chameleons have a long, muscular tongue that they can rapidly extend to capture prey. Their tongue is equipped with a sticky tip that adheres to insects, allowing them to catch prey from a distance. 5. Parietal eye. Chameleons possess a parietal eye, also known as the third eye, on the top of their head. This eye is sensitive to light and helps them detect changes in their environment, such as approaching predators. 6. Camouflaging abilities. Chameleons are masters of camouflage. They can change their skin color to blend in with their surroundings, making them difficult to spot by predators or prey. These distinctive features collectively make chameleons easily identifiable and unique among reptiles. They are fascinating creatures known for their remarkable adaptations and behaviors.